In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to download apps on your Vizio smart TV. After I show you how to install these apps, if you stick around, I will show you a few apps that you might want to install and check out. There are more than one way to install apps on your Vizio TV. It's one of the more confusing models, to be honest. But the first thing and the most obvious way is to press the V button or the home button on your remote control. And you will see a bunch of apps and you just select the one that you want to install. However, on most Vizio models, there's a small amount of apps that are available with this method. So another way to install apps on your phone is to then open the app on your phone, then tap the cast logo in the app, then basically it just sends the app to your TV. Before I show you what apps you can install, one final way that you can get apps on your Vizio TV is by plugging in a Fire Stick or a Roku stick into the back of your TV. And I'll link these in the description down below. Now, here are a few apps I think you should check out. The first one is Locast. This is for those of you who want to get local channels on your TV and you don't want to set up an antenna. Check this app out. 3 other free and legal apps that are worth checking out are Xumo, Tubi TV, and Pluto TV. Again, these are free apps and they have lots of movies, TV, and sports channels. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If it was helpful for you, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on this video and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.